Welcome to Real Life Investing. This is Al getting in contact with you guys today. Going to be talking to you today about Internet Computer, ICP. Now, I've been hearing a lot of good things about this from some people, but at the same time, I am, how can I say, I've been gathering up information, etc. Hearing about this could be one of the most underrated, the most underrated cryptos of the market right now. But I am going to need some feedback from you guys. I want to kind of put this one in the rotation, but at the same time, I want to make sure that I have enough believers as far as I do like what I'm seeing so far, but I'm going to have to do some more research on ICP. So if some of you guys can give me some more feedback, tell me how you feel about ICP, that's going to be great for all of us so we can see whether this is going to be a nice one for the market. From what I'm seeing, it's down pretty far. And so at the same time, it could be a great winner, could be a home run winner. But at the same time, I'm going to need input from you guys. So I want you to leave comments, suggestions, give me your likes, etc. Let me know what you think about this one so that we can get a better feel of it. But remember, whatever we say on the channel is not financial advice. However, if you like what you see today, we just ask you to like and subscribe to the channel. We are growing and we ask that you grow with us. Thank you guys for your participation in all that you do. And definitely we're going to need your participation on this particular video. Internet Computer ICP, because like I said, I just want to get a little bit more info. I'm going to start doing some more research on this guy. Just want to make sure. Some of you guys, like I said, probably already know something, so let me know what you know. Now, let's go ahead and start looking at this. In the last 24 hours, it is pretty much holding steady, down only like 0.23%, which is really a small amount for the week. This one, and let me see what I want to do here. I want to make this a little bit, sorry guys. Sometimes I'm kind of modifying things a little bit. Yeah, I want to make that a little bit bigger there so I can see it better. For the week, it's down 3.9%. For the month, it is down 3.45%. And for the year, it is down 63%. Okay. Now, one of the things that's got me a little bit concerned about this and why I want some more feedback from you guys is when I look at the all time, holy snags, when I look at the all time here, for all time, it is down 99 and a half, you know what I mean? Percent. And I'm like, whoa, this is pretty heavy. Some of you guys have been giving me feedback about this one, and I do remember that it was overvalued at the beginning, but I just got to make absolutely sure that all of this information is making sense. Okay. So that's my only concern. And that's the only reason why I'm like a little bit, needing more feedback from you guys, because when I look at the all time and it's down, I'm like, whoa, okay. So if you will, like I said, give me some positive comments and tell me why you feel that this is still, a crypto worth looking at. I like it. And the potential is tremendous. But at the same time, I'm going to have to do more research to feel like, super, super good about this. You know what I mean? So, like I said, not financial advice. But let's just go ahead and start looking a little bit more into this guy. Was this like what 1 billion market cap? So definitely has a long ways to grow. Now let's look at the overall market. Overall market right now, time of this recording is 2.2 trillion. Fear and greed is at 36. Bitcoin is at about 64. Ethereum about 1900. So we're not doing that bad in the market overall here. Bitcoin dominance, if I refresh, yep, same as about 58.7%. Ethereum is at 10.5%, and I got my others at 30.7. Now, let's go to the Clarity Act. From what we see so far, this is from bitcoinfoundation.org/news. Says right here the Clarity Act stalled in U.S. Senate. Ethics disputes and time running out. We talked about this earlier on a few other videos that we do assume, unfortunately, that the Clarity Act may not pass. And like I said before, if it does not pass, look for another crash. Okay, as far as the market. So hold your dry powder for a little while. I'm thinking like if this, even if this internet computer one is a nice one, I got a feeling that it may drop below $2 if if we get some bad news in a little while. So we're really dealing with a lot of issues with Clarity Act. Let me read this and keep it moving. U.S. Crypto Market Regulations Bill is facing new obstacles. We break down what's holding up the final passage of the Clarity Act. The Senate has delayed consideration of the Clarity Act. The reasons: limited time and competing legislative priorities. So CoinDesk reports. So let's see. Senate Majority Leader Tom Thune has focused the chamber on federal appointments and a new Russian sanctions bill. Oh, great. Procedural rules prevent the Senate from debating multiple controversial bills simultaneously. I really, uh, well, what can you say, guys? I'm not going to criticize, but I think Clarity Act was the number one issue, in my personal opinion, because, our economics is going to be key, but it is what it is. Now, let's move on to Internet Computer, the actual website. Sovereign Cloud, tamper-proof, always on. Runs AIware. Let me keep it moving a little bit, though. Software that's alive, etc. Right? So let's see what else we got. So going down a little bit. It says Internet Computer Cloud has properties that enable agents to build online with greater autonomy, tamper-proof, fault-tolerant, and sovereign. So agents build and update sophisticated AIware for you while only needing to focus on the abstract logic of your apps and services. AIware comes for free. Lossy updates can't happen. Digital assets trustlessly. So, world's most sophisticated network science made yours. So it says right here, the Internet Computer was developed by a multi-year R&D, research and development program. After initial work, the Definity Foundation was formed in October 2016. Has run one of the largest independent research operations in frontier computing since late 2017. So we'll see what's up. Going a little bit further, it says Internet Computer. This is going to be from amcrypto.com. Traders accumulate 503 million ICP as breakout pattern forms. They're asking, is the $2.50 next? So we see some good things that are happening in the market, so to speak. And from what we're seeing, even though what we see here, I'm not going to be able to stop on this one long because of the fact that no matter what's going on good in the market right now, and it does seem like ICP has some positive momentum, but I don't know if anybody's going to have momentum in the next few days. But just saying, right before this possible crash we're seeing that ICP has some good momentum. All right, moving on a little bit. This is something I really like. When I'm looking at the X site, it appears that ICP has a nice community. Y'all give me some feedback on that, please, and let me know. But from what I see, it's got some really, really great feedback as far as the X site. It appears that there's a strong ICP community. Correct me if I'm wrong. Tell me if I'm right. So right here, this is from the website X, Internet Computer Today. Next moon landing ICP. So who's ready? I like this. So they're saying this is going to be your moon bag, which will be ICP. Just saying, not financial advice. Now, let's keep it moving a little bit. This is also on X. Right here, this is what, $2? Well, you could tell whoever did this is not an American. It must be something from Europe because we don't put commas. We put periods right there. But anyways, they got the $2 here, and they got the $500 here. So they're saying while it's at $2, nobody's even thinking about it. But once it gets up to $500, everybody's gonna and their grandmother's gonna be over here, right? So just saying, I like the picture, and I get the picture. Now moving on a little bit. Good news here says ICP just put up another monster day. Says no, not two, but 132.9 million transactions processed, the strongest daily volume of the month. So this is awesome, and this happened not too long ago. So let's keep it moving a little bit to the next thing. This is another community post from what I feel personally. Says this dip is a blessing, ICP. So, and then it's giving you the dip amount, etc. Now, let's keep it moving a little bit. One of the last things, I think this is fun and seems like an exciting community from what I'm seeing. But like I said, I need more information. So give me some more if you got it. So Internet Computer Today. So at Dfinity today. So this is pretty cool. And this is the ICP Infinity, surfboard here. So I think this is really nice as far as overall, a lot of fun from what I can see. Looking at the actual ICP chart for the 6 month, it appears things are going in this direction. Doesn't look so bad here because it was down this far, back in February as well. But now it's retraced to that February and even a little bit below. So right here, we're at $2. We haven't got below that just yet, but we're pretty doggone close. I do believe that we're going to get below $2 in just a few days or a few weeks. So I'm just saying, hold your powder and get ready. Now, let's see, the 1 month. 1 month is right here. So you can kind of see it's touching that $2 base. I think that maybe people are buying it a little bit above $2, but I got a feeling that sooner or later it's going to meet that resistance because from what I can see, I'm going to try to use, yeah, let me go ahead with this. From what I can see, it looks like we got a triangle going this way. And then we got a smaller triangle here. And I got a feeling that we might form another triangle going down this way sooner or later. Don't know when that one's going to happen, but I got a feeling we're going to go a little bit further down just in case, guys. So heads up on that, okay? Now, going back to where we were at the very beginning, I do love what I see with this particular crypto as far as the potential. I do believe that this thing can knock it out of the park. But at the same time, I need your help. Leave me your comments, suggestions concerning Internet Computer. It looks really good, but at the same time, I got to gather a little bit more before I believe. My only issue is, like I said, looking back at this guy, I'm really concerned about that. The 99% down, but at the same time, I do believe that ICP has a long way that it can go back up. It's Al with Real Life Investing. Hey guys, we really appreciate you. If you like what you've seen so far, just click this video below. YouTube suggests that you try it next. Leave a comment. Let us know what you think about it. Have a good day.